How does meat consumption impact the environment and what can be done to make it more sustainable? The average American eats about 264 pounds of meat per person every year. If you multiply this by the population of the United States, you'll get an approximate total of around 86,988,000,000 pounds of meat being consumed yearly in the US. If we talk globally, the global meat consumption is 324 million metric tons. There are many impacts of meat consumption on the environment, but the main impact that leads to all these environmental issues we deal with today is greenhouse gas emissions. Meat consumption is responsible for releasing greenhouse gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. These gases then contribute to climate change and global warming. Livestock farming contributes to these greenhouse gases. It causes deforestation and the loss of biodiversity. Many forests are cleared of habitat for cattle farming and the production of soybean for animal feed. Deforested areas are then often burned down, and this releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. When raising livestock, animals such as cows and sheep create large amounts of methane as they digest food. The manure they produce also releases methane. Livestock production also contributes to water pollution around the world because manure contaminates it. Producing meat also requires a lot of water, and in fact, beef is the most water-intensive food. It requires 2 times more water to produce beef than pork and 4 times more than alternative protein sources such as lentils.